Good morning to all of you. Myself Irfan Khan from Alchem Science Tutorials. Today we are going to study of human digestive system. Basically, in that human digestive system, we are going to study about different type of organ which involve in human digestive system and the function of each and every human digestive system. Right now we were going to study about the human digestive system, which part, which organ is involved in human digestive system, that we're going to study today. This much of organ is basically involved in human digestive system. You can see here, this is the organ which involved in human digestive system, such as mouth, throat, stomach, pancreas, gallbladder, liver, intestine and esophagus. This is all about the organ which involved in human digestive system. And this is a diagram which showing that human digestive system is looking just like this. Basically, human digestive system is mostly start from oral cavity and end to the rectum and anus after the obtaining whatever the protein, carbohydrate obtained by our body. Basically, this process is mostly in start at the oral cavity. After that, food is transferred toward the stomach, and then that stomach is finally storage into the stomach, and after that breakdown of that food takes place with the help of different type of juices, such as the juice produced by stomach, bile juice and other important pancreatic juice. And after that, all this acid or juice is going to degrade that food and obtain necessary protein, carbohydrate from that food, and finally transfer toward the small or large intestine, and then transfer to the waste material toward the rectum and anus. This is all about the human digestive system. Right now we are going to study about which type of function is carried out by different type of human digestive organ. Mouth having the property to chewing of food and producing of saliva with the help of salivary gland. Esophagus having the function of transfer of food from oral cavity to stomach. Stomach having the property to produce stomach acid, and it is also having the property to break down the protein. Small intestine having the property to starch, protein and carbohydrate. Pancreas having the property to produce pancreatic juice. Liver having the property to produce bile juice. So this is all about the function of each and every organ involved in human digestive system and the human digestive system and their organ. Right now, please subscribe our channel Alchem Science Tutorials for the more educational videos.